So you wanna get details about what your trace hit. That's break hit results. A trace only tells you it hit, but what it doesn't tell you that because break hit results tell you where, what, normal direction, bone map, impact point, and that's the real gold, right? And to get this node, just right click and type in break hit results. But as you can see on the screen, it's not coming up because it will only show up when you take it from the out hit of trace. Now we are following from our previous tutorials where I showed you how to start and end a trace. For now we have a sphere trace here, and from that we are taking a out hit execution pin, then we are breaking it into results like break hit result as you can see on the screen. From that we are taking hit actor and then I'm connecting it to print results. Now it will automatically change it by the help of get display name, and as you can see something extra here which is branch node. Now I took execution pin from return value and then connected it to branch node. Now the reason for doing that is sometime it doesn't hit anything and then it will gives you an error that it actually didn't hit anything and it's returning error on access. So to avoid that kind of error you need a branch node. So only when it actually hits something will check the name of the component, otherwise it will keep returning error on access or something like that. For now let's just compile the code and let's just press begin play. And as you can see on the screen right off the start we just trace the landscape, we are tracing the tutorial blueprints, we are tracing the cube, we are tracing all sort of things, and it actually returning us what it actually hitting as you can see on the print string on the left side top. Right now it's actually super critical for headshots, surface based effects, spark versus blood kind of thing, or placing decays exactly at impact point. Without break hit results, traces are blind. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.